Baking soda, the DIY solution for plant diseases. Is your garden under attack? Discover how baking soda, a common household item, can be your secret weapon against plant diseases. Plant diseases can wreak havoc on your garden, turning your green paradise into a battleground. Identifying these diseases early is crucial for effective treatment. Fungal infections like powdery mildew and black spot are among the most common culprits. These diseases thrive in humid conditions and can quickly spread, damaging leaves, stems, and even fruits. Bacterial and viral diseases also pose significant threats. They often manifest as spots, wilting, or stunted growth, and can be more challenging to manage than fungal infections. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild alkaline substance. Its chemical properties make it an effective fungicide. When dissolved in water, baking soda raises the pH level on the plant's surface. This creates an environment that is less favorable for fungal growth. It's important to note that baking soda is more effective as a preventative measure. It can help stop diseases from taking hold in the first place. There are several ways to use baking soda to protect your plants. Here are a few proven recipes. Basic baking soda spray. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 quart of water. Add a few drops of liquid soap to help the solution stick to the leaves. Baking soda and oil spray. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of horticultural oil, and 1 quart of water. This mixture is particularly effective against fungal diseases. Baking soda and vinegar spray. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar and 1 quart of water. Use this spray cautiously, as vinegar can be harsh on some plants. Proper application is key to maximizing the benefits of baking soda. Follow these steps for best results. Always test the solution on a small area of the plant first. Wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions, such as leaf burn. Apply the spray in the early morning or late evening. This avoids the heat of the day, which can cause the solution to dry too quickly and potentially damage the plant. Thoroughly coat all parts of the plant, including the undersides of the leaves. This ensures that the baking soda reaches all potential infection sites. Reapply the solution every 1 to 2 weeks or after heavy rain. Regular application helps maintain a protective barrier against disease. Using baking soda in your garden offers several advantages. It's a natural and non-toxic alternative to chemical fungicides. This makes it safe for your plants, your family, and the environment. Baking soda is readily available and inexpensive. This makes it a cost-effective solution for managing plant diseases. It can be used on a wide variety of plants, including vegetables, fruits, and flowers. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for any gardener. While baking soda is generally safe, it's important to use it correctly to avoid potential problems. Overuse can lead to a buildup of sodium in the soil. This can harm plants and affect soil health. Some plants are sensitive to baking soda. Always test the solution on a small area first. Avoid using baking soda on alkaline-loving plants. These plants prefer a lower pH level. For enhanced disease control, consider combining baking soda with other natural remedies. Neem oil. This natural insecticide and fungicide can help control a wide range of pests and diseases. Garlic spray. Garlic has antifungal properties and can help protect plants from fungal infections. Compost tea. This nutrient-rich solution can boost plant health and make them more resistant to disease. Many gardeners have found success using baking soda to combat plant diseases. Here are a few examples. A gardener in California used baking soda to control powdery mildew on their zucchini plants. They reported a significant improvement within a week. A rose grower in Texas used baking soda to prevent black spot on their roses. They found that regular applications kept their plants healthy and disease-free. An organic farmer in Oregon used baking soda to manage fungal infections on their tomato plants. They were able to avoid using chemical fungicides and maintain their organic certification. Baking soda is a simple, effective, and natural solution for managing plant diseases. By understanding its properties and using it correctly, you can protect your garden and enjoy healthy, thriving plants. Ready to take control of your garden's health? Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow gardeners. Leave a comment below to tell us about your experiences with baking soda in the garden. Let's grow together.